In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the DocuSign error duplicate recipients step by step. If you've tried sending an envelope and suddenly get an error saying there are duplicate recipients, don't worry. This is a common issue, and it's usually very easy to fix once you know what to look for. I'll walk you through the most common causes and the exact solutions so you can get your documents sent without any more frustration. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple DocuSign and software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you need to check, and this is the most common reason for the duplicate recipients error, is your required fields. When you're inside your DocuSign envelope, go to the Recipients section and carefully review the list. Make sure you've added at least one signer. Sometimes the system throws a recipient-related error when required fields aren't properly configured. Next, confirm that the signer's email address is valid and typed correctly. Even a small typo can create conflicts. Also, double-check that your document is actually attached to the envelope. Finally, go into the document and confirm that required tags like signature, date, or initials are properly placed and assigned to the correct recipient. Missing or incorrectly assigned tags can sometimes trigger unexpected recipient errors. Next, verify the signer email format carefully. This is extremely important. If two recipients share the exact same email address and role, DocuSign may flag it as a duplicate. Even if you intentionally want the same person to sign twice, DocuSign requires either different routing orders or clearly defined roles. Check for extra spaces before or after the email address, spelling errors, or hidden characters if you copied and pasted the email. The format should be clean and standard, like name@example.com. If two entries are identical, remove one or adjust the role settings. The third fix is to use a different routing order. If the same person needs to receive the document more than once, for example as a signer and then as a carbon copy, you must assign a different routing order number. In the Recipients panel, you'll see routing order numbers next to each name. Change them so they're sequential and intentional. For example, set the signer as routing order 1 and the same email as a CC with routing order 2. This prevents DocuSign from treating them as duplicate recipients in the same step. Fourth, check the role types assigned to each recipient. DocuSign allows roles like signer, approver, carbon copy, certified delivery, and more. If two recipients have the same email and the same role in the same routing order, that's when the duplicate error typically appears. To fix this, either remove the extra entry or change the role type, so each instance has a unique function in the workflow. If everything looks correct and you're still seeing the error, try logging out of DocuSign and logging back in again. Sometimes session glitches or cached data in your browser can cause temporary errors. Log out completely, close your browser, reopen it, and sign back into your account. Then reopen the envelope and try sending it again. Finally, check the DocuSign status page. On rare occasions, the issue may not be on your end at all. If DocuSign is experiencing service disruptions, you might encounter unusual errors, including recipient validation problems. Visit the official DocuSign status page to see if there are any ongoing incidents. If there is a system issue, you may just need to wait until it's resolved. So to quickly recap, check required fields, verify email formatting, adjust routing order, confirm role types, log out and back in, and check the DocuSign status page. In most cases, one of these steps will immediately fix the duplicate recipients error and allow you to send your envelope successfully. I hope this helped you fix the DocuSign error duplicate recipients quickly and easily. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful DocuSign troubleshooting guides and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.